Welcome back to another message crawler update. Today I want to show you a new tool that can automatically identify image type. So why would you need to identify that? Well, sometimes forensic applications, when they grab images from a phone or forensic image may not have an extension assigned to it. I don't know if it's because that's how it's stored on the original phone or is it process of the acquiring the data, but the extension is missing. And when you have images without an extension inside the RSMF files, they don't look as good as they could. They don't show, Relativity doesn't show preview of them inside the body of the RSMF file. You have to click on them to go to the next screen and then see the actual image. And users don't like that. They want to see the image embedded right in the RSMF file. So let's take a look at the tool that can help you do that. All right, so I'm going to go to my screen and we have message crawler. So we are going to import that file. Nothing fancy here. Just going to take the dat file I've been using all this time. And what we're going to do next is filter for what we want to apply our tool on. Now, normally you would apply it to only image types. I'm going to apply it to some PDFs too, just to show you what it looks like. So let's actually expand this a little bit and like that. And then we're going to go to miscellaneous tools, image type detection. And what we can do here is select our field with path. So this is how message crawler is going to find that image to try to identify what it is. And if you have a partial path, you have this init path, which is going to be populated automatically. And so they'll be combined, and that's where it's going to look for an image. Now we have two options here. We can write extension to a field, or we can append extension to existing file name field. So if we have file names here without an extension, we can just have it automatically append, or we can just put it into a new field. In our case, we're just going to make a new field called ext. You don't have to make it. You can just type it in. It'll be created for you. And we're going to leave it blank. But if you were to choose a file name here, it'll be appended. But we already have it, so it's going to look weird. So now we're going to run this. And it's going to say process finished. And now if we close this and scroll to the right, you see there is a new column. And this column tells us what the extension is of this particular image. Now for PDF, of course, it doesn't know it's a PDF. This is only for like a JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, and bitmaps, right? And so now we have this information. We know what image type this is. That's basically it. This is all this tool does, is it looks at the header of an image and it populates it either into a field or it modifies existing file name. You can run this separately to look at it, to QC it, and then combine the fields together, or you can do it in one step. It's up to you. But the end result, you will get better RSMF files when you export them, and the file name does contain image extension. So that's it. That's all I have for this quick update for message crawler. If you have a chance, please try it out. Let me know if you have any feedback, and I will see you on the next update.